Hi everyone, today I'm thrilled to present an overview of the subject central to navigate today's rapidly changing business landscape, business digital transformation. Actually, this course is part of our Doctor in Business Administration DBA program at Malaysia University of Science and Technology. And this subject is designed to empower the leaders with the insight and tools needed to drive meaningful strategic transformation in their organization. If I want to give you some brief information about this subject, I can say the for business transformation goes beyond the surface level changes. It's the process of fundamentally reshaping the system, process, and people, and also the technology across an entire the organization or business unit. The goal of this subject is to achieve the measurable improvement in efficiency, effectiveness, and ultimately stakeholder satisfaction. Each transformation journey is unique, as we know, and often encompassing the multiple changes management project focus on optimizing individual processes, system, or department. Today we are facing an unprecedented level of disruption in industries that once seemed unshaked are being redefined by players outside of the traditional boundaries, driven by the power of digital technologies. This course try to explore how organizations are responding not only by creating the technologies, but by involving their entire business model to adopt the digital transformation. This shift is vital for firms to not only compete, but thrive as well. The CLOs or the course learning outcomes that we have for these subjects are four, analyzing the main part of digitalization and digital transformation for business that is met with the program learning outcome number five. The second CLO that we have is evaluation the barriers and failure of the business transformation from a managerial perspective that is matched with the PLO or in same direction with the PLO number seven. The third CLO that we have is valuing the system implementation process for business that is in the same direction with the PLO number four, and develop the business model for transformation and digital business is the fourth CLO that we have in this subject. This subject is designed in the way that we have 12 chapters to cover all the new trends in digital transformation. We are starting in the first chapter with some introduction about the digital transformation, and how to digitally transform will be our topic in the second chapter. Then we will go and focus in five main domain of digital transformation. We discuss about these five main domain. And in chapter four, we are going to talk about the information age accelerates. Number five, chapter number five is the elastic cloud that we are going to discuss about cloud computing, cloud systems that currently is very trend in the business, and also the organizations try to migrate to the cloud system instead of they have an in-premise server. Number six is the big data, the content that is very important nowadays, as we know that we don't have any more data. The one that we have now, this is the big data because we have a huge amount of data collecting from different resources, and we need to know how to manage it. Number seven is the AI, the hot topic that everywhere today they are talking about. If you're asking every people nowadays, they're talking about ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, and other AI, and we can see that how AI helping people to solve their problem, how AI can help people to do their work faster and more productive. That's why we are focusing on AI in one of the chapters. IoT, Internet of Things, is another topic that we are going to focus. Digitalization business, three phase of the business transformation, barriers and failure of business transformation, and the last but not least is the way forward with the digital transformation accelerated by a pandemic. This is the last chapters that we are covering in the subject. The method of the method of assessment that we have in this subject is quite different with other traditional method of assessment. We have individual assignment that is including 15% of your final mark, and you need to do this assignment with some limitations in the Word 2000. Group assignment is a group of 2 or 3 person in one group. Then we are going to focus in one area topic. Then it's including 5,000 words, and you need to do the presentation for this group assignment. It's 40% of your final mark, and foreign discussion is a theory discussion that we will have in or BLMS, Blended Learning Management System, and it's including 15%. And the last one is final assessment, that is one case study. Individually, you need to focus on that and go through with 30% of your final mark. And practical application of the CLOs in the real world. If I want to talk about each CLOs, I can say that the first CLO will help the student to access the technologies like cloud, AI to improve the operations and customer experience, like moving from a traditional software to cloud-based services. The second CLO's application is identify the obstacles such as resistance to change or a skill gap and develop the strategy to avoid past failure and launching a new e-commerce platform. The third CLO's application will be compare the system proposal based on uh, ROI and strategic fit. Okay, like assessing the EHR for improving the patient care in healthcare. And the last one, the CLO4 application, is creating the digital business model, such as an online platform for a retailer with a new revenue and customer engagement strategies. In conclusion, I can say the business digital transformation course is designed to provide the practical, relevant, and actionable knowledge to lead digital transformation in the organizations. As the technology evolved, so must we, as a leader, strategically adapting to not only serving the disruption, but to thrive in it. Thank you, and I look forward to our journey together in exploring these transformative possibilities. Thank you so much. Bye bye.